Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and I want to walk you through this beautiful Azimut 43 Atlantis that we just got here in the North Texas area. We're going to start back here on the swim platform. There's a lot going on this boat. Nice hydraulic swim platform, very large, nice spot for you to be able to lower it down and make a little sun lounge area just underneath the water, or to be able to board your tender back on the boat. Speaking of tenders, or tender garage, this is hydraulic lift. We'll actually lift this up. You can run your tender in there, water sport, toys, lily pads, whatever you might have. It's a great storage garage to be able to put all those water toys and other items. You'll notice on this Azimut 43, they've really done a good job of thinking about how the first mate's going to work the boat. Up the starboard side, you have a walkway straight up to the side of the boat, so you can go forward, and a very large walkway here on the port side. When you're entertaining and you're going up and down, look how wide these entryway steps are. And then as we step up here to go forward as well, you'll notice a nice landing pad to be able to walk nicely and safely forward. When you flip these cushions up, you've got some great fender storage right underneath this cushion. Easy to get to, really a great idea for them to utilize that area. And then check out this sun lounge. What a beautiful spot. I'm 6'5", and I can lay back and my feet don't even get to the end of it, so really a comfortable area. And then it converts to where if you wanted to sit up and face backwards, as well as serves a dual purpose as the backrest for the cockpit table back here as well. You'll notice that I'm standing here in a shaded spot just inside the cockpit. This boat does have the optional extended sunshade coming off the back of the boat. Really keeps the lines of the boat, the aesthetics on the top are still nice, not a big camper looking thing. It's actually a really nice clean line extended sunshade, just to give you a little bit more shade when you do want it. Let's go into the cockpit. So here we are in the cockpit. You'll notice again this wide entryway doesn't let the traffic jam happen as people are going in and out of the water or boarding the tender. Back here, this boat does have the upgraded Fusion sound system with the subwoofer and amp package. Nice wet bar with a nice, beautiful Kenyan grill mounted there. Really a good tool to be able to grill hot dogs, hamburgers. Go to cookingwithkenyan.com and you can see all the things this thing will do. Scrambled eggs, get the skillet for it. Really a cool grill. Nice sink area over here. Ice maker. And then a really cool feature, the chill box. Nice deep chill box. Probably 12 to 14 inches deep and wide as well. So pack some ice in there, get your drinks, get your fruit, stick it in there. It'll keep it cool all afternoon. So really a cool feature as well. And you'll notice that we've got nice U-shaped seating all the way around this cockpit. Seats 7 or 8 people. Beautiful high gloss table with a nice fold-up design to where you're not having to scooch all the way around. I mean, I can literally get all the way around to the side of this table and have a nice dinner or lunch back here in the cockpit. So we'll move up to the Helm station and forward sun lounge as well. Just forward of the wet bar, grilling station, and dinette back here in the salon, or in the cockpit, you're going to notice this beautiful sun lounge area. Underneath this shaded hardtop, it's got the large skylight, so if you did want to go on a long cruise and get some sun, you could sit here, read a book, hang out, and be right across from the Helm station. This will fold up as well. It's got the nice floor coverings that are on the floor here, which is kind of this faux teak area underneath these pads as well. Kind of gives you an area if you need to store some stuff as well, you could do that here. But really a good sun lounge, kind of chill out area. I've actually been on this boat and played cards with my kids sitting right around here. We played Uno right there. So really a cool multifunctional area that's pretty useful. And you'll notice as I stand here, I look back and I see how big this hardtop is on this boat. Tons of beautiful fiberglass, high gloss fiberglass with the nice inlay panels, lots of lights to really brighten this thing up at night. So we'll step into the helm station. Azimut does a great job of how they lay out their helm. You can see here the ergonomics of it. Everything's right in front of me, easy to reach. You got your Raymarine screens here, your Volvo Penta systems, autopilot. It's got the quick windlass controls, gives you your windlass depth and how much chain you actually have out, the chain counter. It's got the stern thruster on it, or I'm sorry, the bow thruster on it as well, and joystick docking from Volvo Penta. This does have the D6 Volvos in it, the 400 horse D6 Volvos. This boat handles very well, very nimble. A lot of fun to drive, all the horsepower that you need, easy boat to run. And you've got the cockpit AC here blowing on you. This area right here, we're in Texas right now, it's about 88, 89 degrees, and this area is actually pretty cool right here by the helm. So it really makes it nice for the captain, making a long run. You've got the ability to stay cool, be comfortable, have everybody around you with the way that Azimut's laid out this cockpit. So we're in the galley now. First thing you're going to notice, it's not dark down here. Azimut's done a great job of putting in this beautiful skylight above us. All the light woods, they've really done a nice job of keeping this light and bright down here and gives you that kind of contemporary feel. You'll notice these laminated cabinets on the top really give you a nice storage area. This does have the china package all the way through it with all of the Azimut plates and chinaware. Nice deep stainless steel sink. Storage all the way around here. One of the things I really like about it is this nice size fridge. It's not an under cabinet fridge. You've actually got a good size fridge in here and freezer. So you really have the ability to provision the boat for a long weekend or a long week out with all the storage that you have as well as all the refrigeration that you have on board. All right, so coming out of the galley, just across the salon here, this beautiful dinette that you can sit people around, nice U-shaped seating. On the back side here, you've got a TV, your entertainment center with Bose soundbar. Really makes for a nice spot to be able to lounge back and kick up your feet here and watch some TV as you wind down the day or wind down the night. You have the ability to kind of kick back and lounge in here as well. This will drop down and make another sleeping quarter. Got a pad that goes in here. Gives you one more spot for somebody to come down here and sleep as well, or a couple of kids too. So as we step from the salon and start heading down to the mid-berth, your day head is right here on the port side of the boat. Nice bowl sink, really contemporary styling. Nice size shower with toilet. It's got a drop down seat, really makes it nice if you want to shave your legs, you want to be able to sit down. You've got the ability to do that. Beautiful shower wand where you can raise that up and really get the shower head where you want it versus trying to jump around and be right in front of the shower head all the time. You can put the shower head exactly where you need it at. So really a good layout and easy for you to use as a day head. So as we transition right past the day head and into the mid-berth, first thing you'll notice is nice twin bunks. These will actually slide together to make one full-size bed. And directly across is a third bunk. Really a unique feature on a 43-foot boat, the ability to sleep 5 comfortably, plus be able to add that other, that sixth person there at the dinette. This boat's equipped with the entertainment system that has the TV here in the mid-berth as well as the soundbar, fusion stereo system. Really a comfortable mid-berth, and the first thing you're going to see here is look at all the windows that we have. Really brings in a lot of light. You don't feel like you're crammed into the back of the boat. So really a great layout, light, bright area, and very comfortable for 3 people to sleep. All right, as we step into the VIP suite, they're definitely pampered here in the forward stateroom. Nice walk-around bed that you can step up easily on either side. Beautiful woodwork and cabinetry. Nice dual closets on either side, both the port and starboard. And as you step into your private head, you'll notice again the designer sink. Nice toilet, as well as a nice sized shower with glass surround. Here we are on the bow, which is just another entertainment spot on this 43-foot yacht. You're going to notice that this feels more like a 60-foot bow layout. Huge sun pads, about 7 foot almost in length, very wide. 3 or 4 people could easily get across here with cup holders on either side. You'll notice that the synthetic decking is coming forward here all the way up to the bow. Really carries that rich feel up to the bow of the boat, and is also a low maintenance material. And then nice area to be able to work the anchor with non-skid. I mean, look at the amount of working area that you have here. If you do need to get down there and work with the anchor, you've got a lot of space to do that. So I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Give us a call at 469-293-9095. We'd love to get you on board this beautiful 43 Azimut Atlantis. Talk to you soon.